Starting your day with a cold car might seem normal, but it impacts your vehicle's longevity and efficiency. When you turn on a cold engine, the oil is thick and isn't circulating properly. This causes increased friction and wear on vital engine parts. Warming up your car ensures that the oil thins out and flows smoothly through the engine. This reduces wear and tear, prolonging the life of your engine. Additionally, it helps all components reach their optimal operating temperature, enhancing performance. A warmed-up car not only performs better, but also reduces fuel consumption and emissions. By giving your car a few minutes to warm up, you're not just caring for your engine, but also contributing to a healthier environment and a more efficient driving experience.